And also pray for Charles for his, he have apnea, that he have, when he sleep, he stopped breathing. I just shared that this now, that because I just remember when I talked to him earlier about the apnea. I experienced that to him when we were in Barbados. And I didn't know that was apnea, but I saw that on video, that a doctor describe, or what is apnea, and describe how it happens when you sleep like that. So I just noticed that was apnea, and I experienced that with Charles, when he's doing sleeping. He's doing it seems like he's for he did not breathe, I count it. It seems like 1 minute or 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds, or 1 minute, that he did not breathe. Then I was looking at him when he was sleeping. What's happening now? Like that. So Charles now is on medication on that. He have mask. I think I can show you